Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Timezone and Locale on Ubuntu VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update the Timezone and Locale on an Ubuntu VPS, begin by connecting to your server via SSH. Use a terminal application such as PuTTY or your command line interface. Input the SSH command followed by your username and server's IP address. After connecting, log in with your password. To check your current time zone, type the command timedetect and press enter. This will display your current time zone settings. To change the time zone, use the command sudo timedetect set timezone followed by your desired time zone. You can find a list of available time zones in the /usr/share/zoneinfo directory. For example, to set your time zone to New York, type sudo timedetect set timezone America /new_York. Press enter to execute the command. Verify the change by retyping timedetect to see the updated time zone. Next, to update the locale, type locale to check your current locale settings. To change the locale, use the command sudo update locale lang equals followed by the desired locale. For example, to set the locale to US English, type sudo update locale lang equals n_us.utf8. Press enter to apply the change. After updating the locale, you might need to log out and log back in for the changes to take effect. To confirm the changes, type locale again to ensure the new settings are reflected. Congratulations, you have successfully updated the timezone and locale on your Ubuntu VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.